Today we're gonna make creamy artichoke spinach dip. And to make this, we're gonna need fajita seasoning, minced garlic, 24 ounces of artichoke hearts, Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, heavy whipping cream, 5 pounds of baby spinach, 1/3 cup of olive oil, and Romano cheese. Let's get started. So here I have my skillet ready. At this time we're gonna add olive oil, and then we're gonna add 24 ounces of artichoke hearts. Then we're gonna add the minced garlic, and we're gonna mix it. Then we're gonna add the spices, the fajita seasoning. Okay, we're gonna stir it up. Then we're gonna add the milk. We're gonna add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. And then after adding these 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, we're gonna stir it up again. And then guys, we're gonna add the cheese little by little. We are gonna add the cheese, the 3 different types of cheese that we have here, which is the mozzarella, the Parmesan, and the Romano cheese. And we're gonna stir this up. We wanna make sure this mixture it becomes kind of creamy and kind of thick and creamy. And we're just gonna mix it up and making sure that the 3 cheese become melted. And we're just gonna keep mixing it until all this cheese becomes creamy. Looks like the cheeses are melting up, guys. So we're gonna start adding up the baby spinach. Okay, and then as we add the baby spinach, we need to start like stirring it. And this is gonna start like cooking little by little on very low heat, guys, at this time. Okay, and then we're just gonna fold it in, making sure the spinach leaves don't get too damaged. You have a nice, fresh looking dip. It's looking good, guys. It's looking good. And here we're starting to have a very delicious, creamy spinach dip. Looks like it's about to be ready. Okay, when you start seeing that the spinach dip looks creamy like this, it's time for us to remove it. Here I'm just adding a little bit more cheese on top of it, just to make it a little bit creamier and cheesy. It's up to you guys if you want to keep adding a little bit more cheese. This is what I usually do just to make it look more appetizing. And here, guys, we have the final result. We already serve a nice serving on a dish, and we're gonna accompany it with some tortilla chips. And hope you guys like it, enjoy it, and we'll see you in our next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.